Sa mga naghahanap po ng mas malaking lot area, this is 180 square meter. Baka ito na ang para sa'yo. This is located in an exclusive subdivision in Imus, Cavite, along Aguinaldo Highway near SM Hypermarket and Robinson's Imus. This is the powder room on the ground floor. The kitchen area with countertop. The maid's room or guest room with toilet and bath. The lot area is 180 square meter and total developed area is 208 square meter. We have 3 bedrooms sa second floor. This is the master's bedroom. With access going to the balcony. The master's toilet and bath. This is bedroom number 2. With toilet and bath. And bedroom number 3 with own toilet and bath as well. The investment price of this house is 13.5 million and the reservation fee is 100,000 pesos. Available via bank or in-house financing. This is the door access going to the lanai area. With free 700 liters water tank and the service area. The parking area. Napasya ang dalawang sasakyan. For more info and for site viewing, contact us on this Facebook page or this number.